guys, I got 2 more steaks left. I'm hungry, I'm ready for dinner, and this is nowhere near gonna fill me up, and I still have another mouth to feed. So I have some beautiful 2-day-old rice that we're gonna make something with, and I have veggies that I need to eat. Can you guess what we're gonna make? That's right, steak fried rice. It's delicious, it's affordable, it's nutritious, so let's get cooking.
Alright, I'll get better at my intros, y'all. I don't know why my country accent comes out, and I'm so awkward, but moving on, let's get to cooking. You want to cube up those 2 steaks, add in garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame seed oil. Highly recommend y'all get sesame seed oil. It will take your dish to the next level. It's toasty and just delicious. Then, of course, salt and pepper, and I also added sesame seeds to go on top. And then you just want to stir that to combine and then set it aside to just marinate for a little bit. If you do it the day before, even better, but just letting it marinate while you get everything else prepped is just fine. So now that we're ready to get cooking, I like to just have everything prepped and ready to go. You'll see all the ingredients. You need some eggs, onions, bell peppers, any veggies that you have in your fridge. I had some green beans, peas, and corn in my freezer. And then, of course, make sure your baby is happy and ready to help.
Yeah.
Let's get cooking. So your skillet is going to be preheated on medium heat, and you're going to add in some butter, and we're going to use that to cook the steak. I don't like to cook my steaks too long, so this part just takes a minute or 2 on each side. And of course, just stir it to make sure each side is cooked. So once the steak is cooked to your liking, you will go ahead and empty it out into a clean bowl. And then we're just going to use that same skillet to go ahead and cook up the eggs. I did 2 eggs, so we're just going to do that into a scramble with some pepper, of course. Once our eggs were done cooking, I went ahead and added it to the bowl with the steak because we are going to add those in together. And then I added in butter to saute the onions and bell peppers, and I also added in pepper and soy sauce to cook those as well. And once those became translucent, I added in some garlic, and then the garlic just needed a minute to cook with all of those ingredients. And then next we will be adding in the vegetables. Like I said, I just used frozen vegetables that I had in my freezer, but whatever ones you want to cook, add in there. A lot of people add in carrots, but toasting these for about a minute is going to add some flavor to those vegetables as well. So just stir those in and have those cook, like I said, just a minute or 2. If I warmed mine up in the microwave as well to get them a little defrosted. And so then at this point, they're just getting nice and toasted up. And then next we will add in our beautiful 2-day-old rice. And then, of course, just mix all those ingredients to combine. And then we are going to add in our yummy sauces, which is soy sauce, more toasted sesame seed oil, along with some oyster sauce and rice wine vinegar. Then you're just going to stir to combine and let it cook for a while to get kind of crispy and toasted on the bottom. That's going to add great flavor. And then we're just going to add back in our steak and eggs and let that cook for just a little bit longer. But your kitchen will be smelling amazing. And it's crazy affordable. I couldn't tell you how much I spent on this. All I know is I used up ingredients that I had in my fridge. Great way to get in those veggies. You've got protein and amazing, amazing flavor. That's a great price. I paired it up with some chicken and it tasted amazing. Please subscribe.